lesson 6, we're going to learn how to adjust margins in a document. Yes, we're going to learn how to insert and remove hard page breaks. Also, we are going to learn how to insert and remove headers and footers in a document. And also, we are going to learn how to print preview a document. So, I have this blank document. So, you can see our margins are this part. You see, I will type my text. Let me copy, paste. Okay. So I want us to see the margin. So the place where the text has not covered is what we call the margins. This one that I'm showing you guys. These are the margins of our document. Okay. So you want to know how to change the margins. So you can see this blue part indicates the where our margin reaches. This one, and this one. So I can adjust my margin. Okay, for example, maybe I had composed this text and only one of these two lines are shifted to the next page, and I want it to fit on one page. I can adjust the margins manually so that it can fit the document. So I can come here and do that. Now you can see it's going to fit. You do that and you come here and adjust. So it has fit in our page. Okay, so you adjust manually using this point here, the top margin, and this one we use to. Okay, you have to select first, and then you come and do that. Okay, and this one you can adjust the right margin, okay, and then the bottom margin. Okay, that's how you go about it manually. To file and then page setup, and then you come here at the top of the margin and you choose maybe 0.5. Okay, so you put here at the bottom 0.5 left. Okay, you can adjust and you can adjust right, then you say okay. So you can see here you have 0.5, and then here you have 0.8, and then here you have 1 point, can't remember, but if you come back here you see 1.25. okay, so that's how you adjust. So if you want to adjust that 0.5, I'm using my keyboard, and then you say okay. So that's it. I hope now you have understood. Okay, so before I erase this text, so I want to show you how to print preview. So the first way is to come and click here. Okay, so print preview is to help you to view a document first before you print it. You see if it has any errors or if you have cut some information, etc. Okay, so I'm going to close. The other way is to come to file and then print preview. It is okay, and you close. Okay, so the next thing is to insert a header and a footer. So header, it appears on the top of every page, and footer appears on every bottom of every page. So if you want to put a header, you come to view header and footer. So when you click it, it is the header. So I'm going to write something here, maybe header. No, let me use something else like this date. Today it's on 1st March 2021. So it's on a Monday. So let me use Monday as my footer. Okay, when you finish, you place. Okay, you can put it to be centered. Okay, centered, and then you close. So you see on top of every page we have header, which is first March, and at the bottom we have Monday, which is the footer. Okay, so that's how you do it, guys. Okay, so the next thing you're going to learn is how to put the page number. So you have to come to insert page number, and then you come and choose where you want it to appear. So you want it to be on the right, and then you say okay. So you have page 1, page 2, and page 3. Okay, so the next thing I want us to learn is to apply page breaks and to change document orientation. So right now we have the portrait. So the portrait is the one that has the large, okay, this large part is vertical and the smaller part is horizontal. So this is what we call portrait. So if you want to change it to landscape, you have to come to file and then page setup, and then you choose landscape here, and then you say okay. So you see we have landscape now. So this side is smaller than the top part. Okay, so I want us to learn how to put page breaks so that you can be able to put the next page to be portrait, the other one to be landscape, and so on and so forth. So if I create another page, I told you if you want to put another page, you press Control key and enter. Okay, that's how you do it. Okay, so if you want to do it again, that's how you go about it. Control enter. So I want us to learn how to use page break. So page break is the one that is going to help us to put one page to be portrait and the other one to be landscape. So you have to come to insert and then break, and then say next page. Okay, and then say okay. So it's going to create another page here. So if I come here, file, and then I come to page setup, landscape, see, I have portrait, I have landscape. So if I want another landscape, I'm just going to press Control enter. Okay, if I want page 4 to be portrait, I have to come to insert, break, next page. It's going to create another page. It is. Then you come to file and then page setup, portrait, then you say okay. So if we want the next page to be portrait, you're just going to press Control enter, and the next one to be landscape, insert, break, next page, okay, and then you press file, and then you come all the way to page setup, and then you say landscape. So I hope you have understood. That's how you go about changing page orientation, and I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Let's meet in the other lesson. Bye.